Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having a transformative autumn 2025 wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are all highly appreciated. If you're new here, welcome. Crosswatchers are also welcome. This is not your personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please remember to take what resonates and leave what doesn't. This is not your personal reading, so please don't manifest the energy of others. Okay? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading about love, money, career, business, and studies. So, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. Your high energy in this reading. Well, first we have the Hermit. You could be dealing or attracting a Virgo or a person has a Virgo in their birth chart. Somebody here is contemplating, somebody here is investigating on you. It could also that this person needs to undergo the dark night of the soul. It could also that this person is refusing to undergo the dark night of the soul. Could also be that because of their ego. Others of you guys, you have done the dark night of the soul. And that's why somebody viewed you that you have lots of wisdom and knowledge. If these are the past person or past people, I feel like you give them a silent treatment. You are tired and sick with their BS. Could be a Virgo or a person has a Virgo in their birth chart or you are the one. I feel like for most of you, this person couldn't believe and couldn't imagine that you are a person who has lots of wisdom and knowledge because you managed to alchemize the painful situation in the past which was created with this person or group of people. A Virgo is involved here. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls. Scorpio, okay? Let me see your challenge here is the Magician. I told you, again, a Virgo and Gemini energy or a person who has Virgo or Gemini in the birth chart. This person is manifesting you in their lives. If this is the past people, they're manifesting you back in their lives. It could also be any other sign, but somebody is manifesting you. It could also that this person is doing cast spells, love spells, black magic, witchcraft, because they want you to be vulnerable to them. They want you to fall in love with them. Especially if these are the past people. They are investigating on you. I told you. You look, and he wants to communicate with you as well. That's why if this is your ex or the past people, they wants to communicate with you because you give them a silent treatment. You are no longer engaging your energy to them because you are done, you are tired of their manipulative behavior. I don't know what they have done on you because everyone is different. Others of you guys, they perceive you as a magical person or they view you that you are doing magic with your life. I told you. That's why they are manifesting you in their lives because they want to know your secret. They are investigating about you. Why you have lots of wisdom and knowledge. Others of you guys, the universe advises you to believe in yourself, to trust yourself, and to believe the magic of the Divine Most High. Everything you are manifesting is in front of you. All you need to do is to take an action, to believe in yourself, to trust yourself. You have a power. It could also be that you doubt your power. It could also be that this person doesn't want you to continue your work. They want you to be confused, to doubt yourself. Because this is your challenge. I told you, because you are a great manifester. For some of you guys, you are advised to continue what you are doing. Because there are only people who are triggered. They want you to doubt your existence. A Virgo Gemini is involved. A person has a Virgo Gemini in their birth chart for whatever reason, because of jealousy and envy. Don't let them win to make you feel that you are not enough. You are enough. In fact, you are a great manifester. They knew as well that you have power. And that's why they are triggered. And they are doing abracadabra, black magic, cast spells, in order to lower your vibes. That you cannot manifest, that they are going to rob or steal your manifestations. Because this is your challenge. Stand with yourself and use your power because you are powerful. That's why this person or group of people are triggered on you, because they knew that you have power. You are a great manifester. You can manifest whatever you want. Just believe in yourself and don't let this person or group of people to make you feel that you are not enough. Believe in yourself, trust in yourself, because if not, who else? You are more than enough. You are a great manifester. This is only jealousy and envy. A Virgo Gemini is involved in the situation. They are investigating on you. I told you. Let me see. Your spiritual lesson here is the Six of Pentacles. I told you, you have balance in your life. That's why they want to unbalance you. It could also be that somebody is working in this situationship and the group are not. It could also be that this is related in your workplace. There is no balance here. You are the one who is working and the other group are not working and they are just receiving a more salary than you. I told you. And that's why they couldn't believe that you bounce back as a magician. You bounce back as a person who has lots of wisdom and knowledge. But you are no longer engaging your energy to them because you are tired and sick. You give them a silent treatment. All they can do is to stalk on you through your platform if you have in social media. They have seen that you are balanced. Somebody here wants to give you balance. Or it could also be this is in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your partner, your ex, or in the community, for instance, your neighbors, or in the society. They have seen that you have balance despite of their abracadabra. But I feel like they will not stop doing it because this person or group of people didn't believe in karma. They don't care as well because their lives are falling apart. When I say falling apart, it's not only with money. It's also with their relationship, with their health. I told you. The more they will do abracadabra to destroy you, the more they become ill. Because all the ill wishes descend on you backfires on them, especially if you are innocent. Whatever they are manifesting on you, they are manifesting this to themselves. Whoever you are, go and heal yourself. A Virgo, Gemini, or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is involved in this situation. There could be a significant meaning for you, the number 6, number 60, 66. This could also be the power of 6 who are collaborating against you to block your work, your legacy, your financial success and stability, your investment, charity, because of jealousy and envy. Now they have seen that you have balance, but you are no longer supporting them, you are no longer generous to them, but they're still believing that you are going to be generous to them. Can you imagine? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is involved with a Virgo, Gemini. But you are no longer dealing with them anymore. You give them a silent treatment. Now they want to communicate with you. These are the group of fake people. Let me see. The past situation is the Page of Wands. This is a fire sign energy. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You could be dealing or attracting a fire sign. For some of you, a person has a fire sign in their birth chart. Could also that they sent you a message because this is the past situation, or they tried to call you but you blocked them in your mobiles, in your platform, and that's why you couldn't receive a message from this person. This person could be younger than you or you are younger than this person. Could be a fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. If this is a new person, they viewed you that you are very excited, you are very enthusiastic, very passionate and driven. And this person wants to have a passionate relationship with you or to offer you a creative spark. But this is, could be only I mean, this could be a player. Younger than you are younger than this person. Take only what fits in your store. Let me see. The current situation is the Five of Swords. An Aquarius energy. Oh my gosh. Somebody is feeling defeated and intimidated by you. Could also be any other sign. But normally this is the Aquarius energy. Five of Swords. Could also be a group of 5 people. Or you are dealing with a person who was born on the 5th of the month, who is 50 years old, 55 years old, and this person is feeling defeated by you. They are intimidated by you because you are a great manifester. Although they are doing abracadabra, I don't know what happened with this person or group of people. They are only, I mean, cursing themselves by doing abracadabra on you because that's all they can do. You are powerful. You're a magician. You're a great manifester. You're a magical person and he wants to have your power, your magic. And you are no longer communicating with him anymore. The Hermit. You give them a silent treatment. An Aquarius is involved here. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 550, 55. Could also be a group of 5 people who are collaborating against you. For some of these people, guys, they're spreading lies and rumors about you. This is the current situation. They are gossiping, they are talking shit on you, but you don't care. You are no longer engaging your energy to them. You know why? Because you are tired and sick with a manipulative behavior. These are the people who are lack of self-confidence, desperate, and this is also the people who are focusing on yourself instead of focusing themselves. Can you imagine they are wasting lots of time to focus on what has happened in your life? They are investigating on you. Why you have lots of wisdom and knowledge, why you are a magical person, the magician. And since they couldn't stand your aura, your energy, they will do abracadabra. And in the end, it will backfires on them. And when they tried to victimize you, and when everything backfires on them, they will twist the story. It was you, Scorpio, who did black magic, abracadabra. Because these are the person or group of people who are narcissists. Remember, in your last reading, it was also come out. But it was the group of 6 people. They couldn't stand your energy. They couldn't stand your aura. They couldn't humiliate you because for some of you guys, they are now experiencing this humiliation. It could also be that you are a victim of bullying and mobbing in a workplace. Now, they are the one who is experiencing this humiliation. That's why they are intimidated and feeling defeated by you. Take only what fits in your story. The universe advises you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, not to engage your energy to them because that's all they can do to lower your vibes because you changed. Number 5 is changed and they don't like it. They will not stop sabotaging you because this is jealousy and envy, pure wickedness. Jealousy and envy is incurable and that's why learn to pick your battles wisely. Do not engage, do not react because if you are going to react, they will win. That's all they can do because they couldn't match your strength. You are a magician. And they are feeling defeated and intimidated. They want to bully you, to utter hurtful words on you, to sabotage you. These are the group of people nowadays. I experience this as well in my neighboring area, in my workplace. Doesn't matter. Do not engage because your energy is worthy than the energy of this low vibrational people. Let me see the future here is the 10 of Wands. This is, a Sagittarius energy. You could be dealing or attracting as well as Sagittarius. This is a completion. You drop the burdens. I told you, that's why they are feeling intimidated and defeated because you are no longer engaging their games anymore. You are advised here to drop the burdens. Do not engage with this person or group of people because they are insecure, jealous, and envy. For some of these people, guys, they want to attack you. An Aquarius is involved here. Not necessary, could also be a group of people composed of 5 who are feeling defeated and intimidated by you. Do not engage your energy because this is the future. They want to drop something on you, a burdens. Do not engage their problems, their conflict, because you are no longer in this energy. Tell this person or group of people that this is over. In fact, you are boring of their manipulative behavior. I told you. A Sagittarius, Aquarius, an air sign, or a fire sign is involved in this situation. For you, this is over. For them, it's not. Because they still try to touch the wounds which is already healed. Because they couldn't stand that you are a great manifester. You are in this energy of a magician. And aside from that, you are no longer communicating with them anymore. Your life is balanced. They want to do everything to unbalance your life. That's why do not engage this low vibrational people. Take only what speaks in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Let me see your attitude. Here's the 7 of Cups. I told you, because they want to confuse you. You are no longer confused of who they are. This person who are bullying you, who cause you too much a drama, conflict, because they are jealous on you. You are no longer confused. They are confused why you are not reacting, why you are not destroyed after all the attacks. The 5 of Swords and the 10 of Wands. I told you. Do not engage because they want you to be the part of their problems. They are now experiencing the karma and they want you to be the part of it. Somebody here is daydreaming and fantasizing on you. It could also that this person in the past or group of people believe in delusional group. Now they are visualizing. Why Scorpio bounce back as a hermit, as a magician, an eligible, a person who is very magical and a great manifester? That's why they are feeling defeated and intimidated. Nevertheless, they want to drop a burdens on you. Do not engage. These are the people who wants to confuse you, but you are no longer confused with this person or group of people. They are the one who is confused. Why it didn't work? The attacks. The more they attack you, the more you become stronger. Tell this to your detractors, your enemies. Whoever you are, go and heal yourself. I told you. As Scorpio is involved here, that's why I told you if you're on the right path, this is your readings. Or a person has a Scorpio in their birth chart. They are confused. They want to confuse you. This person or group of people are now experiencing karma. Yeah, look. They are intimidated and feeling defeated by you because they are feeling also humiliated. I don't know if you have platform in social media. If you are a tarot card reader like me, they are intimidated with your content because whatever you spoke about your reading could also that this person is guilty because these are the things they have done on you. An Aquarius is involved here, a person who was born on the 5th of the month, a 50 years old, 55 years old. A Scorpio is involved here, a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. There could be a significant meaning for you, the number 7, 70, 77. Please pay attention. This person is daydreaming and fantasizing on you. This person is confused because they perceive you that you have lots of options. Or they want to put you as an option, but they couldn't put you in as an option because you are in this energy of the magician. Take only what fits in your story. Let me see. If this is in your workplace, they failed to keep you inside the box. And now they are confused. Go and heal yourself. Let me see. Your outside influence is the Fool. An Aquarius is involved here. You could be dealing or attracting an Aquarius or a person as an Aquarius in the birth chart. Or you are the one who's an Aquarius in your birth chart. This is your energy. For some of you guys, if you are not taking a leap of faith, your advisor to take a leap of faith. Or this person is now preparing to travel towards you because they are now taking a leap of faith. It could also that this person is no longer confused and they are preparing to take a leap of faith towards you. A Pisces, a Scorpio, Cancer, and or an Aquarius is involved here. But normally this is the energy of a Scorpio and this is the energy of an Aquarius. Could also be that these are the group of 7 people who are collaborating against you. This is your lucky breaks, your spiritual awakening, or somebody who is awakened of who you are. That's why he wants to take a rest towards on you. to tell you something. A Scorpio and Aquarius is involved in this situation, a water sign. Take only what speaks in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. The universe advises you to believe in yourself because lots of adventures awaits. To take a leap of faith if you are still confused. You look, if you are already awakened, for some of you, I feel like you already took a leap of faith, or somebody wants to take a leap of faith towards on you because this person in the past perceived that you are naive, you are a fool, you are gullible, and that's why they are not believing on you. Now they wants to take a rest because they are awakened. A Scorpio and Aquarius. Let me see. Your hopes and fears is the 5 of Pentacles, but they are feeling not enough because you outshined them. They are feeling rejected, left out in the cold. Could be that you are dealing with a group of 5 people who are collaborating against you. I told you, the power of 5 of Pentacles and 5 of Swords. I told you, an earth sign, and this is normally a Capricorn and an Aquarius. These are the group of people who are collaborating against you, who are playing mind games on you. Composed of 5 people. An Aquarius is involved here, and a Capricorn. Could also be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You look 5 of Pentacles and 5 of Swords because they want you to be like this, to end up nothing. You have no work, you have no money. They are doing cast spells, love spells, black magic on you. Remember, the magician. Now it backfires on them because whatever they are wishing on you backfires on them, because for most of you guys, you are innocent and they did this to you because of jealousy and envy. Now that you outshine them, they are feeling not enough. A person who was born on the 5th of the month, a person who is 50 years old or 55 years old is involved here. It doesn't matter which sign. Could also be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Because they doesn't want you to change, but you are a great manifester. And that's why, for some of these people, guys, they are losing opportunities. They are losing, their relationship was breaking away. Their lives are crumbled. Could also be that somebody is going to lose their home, or they are manifesting that you are going to lose your home, your job, everything because of jealousy and envy. Now, they are feeling left out in the cold by you because they are praying for your downfall. Whatever they manifest on you backfires on them. Could also, this is a new person and they feel like they are not enough because you outshine them. A Scorpio and Aquarius, Capricorn is involved in the situation. It could also that they want to invest with you, but they are feeling not enough. Could also be an earth sign, a water sign, and an Aquarius is involved here. Take what resonates because everyone is different. They don't like it that you change. They want you to stay in this fighting mood. That you are always in pain, that you are always look like crazy. They are not the one who looks like crazy because you are no longer engaging your energy to them, but they still wants to drop the burdens on you because they are now experiencing karma. What goes around comes back around. You are wishing the downfall to others. This is your downfall, whoever you are. Go and heal yourself. The outcome in this reading is the 6 of Cups. This could be in your family as well. This. Somebody here wants to return to apologize and it's possible to reconcile with you. Could be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Somebody here having a nostalgia because you are no longer engaging your energy to them. You give them a silent treatment. They are investigating and stalking on you through your social media, your platform. They have seen that you are a powerful person, that you are a great manifester. That's why they want to be the part of your blessings. And he wants to return. Scorpio, we're back. We're going to support you. No, this is over. You are done. 10 of Wands. I told you, but they are still gossiping and spreading lies and rumors about you because these are the people who are low vibrational. The power of 666 is significant in this reading. I told you, 6 of Pentacles and 6 of Cups. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Somebody having nostalgia. Normally, this is in your family. Forgiveness is important here, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. For some of you guys, you already forgiven them, but you are no longer engaging your energy to them because you have learned your lesson. These are the people who are only using and abusing you, who are always creating drama, emotional manipulation, because they want you to be to hang with your energy. They want you to be attached with your energy. They want to return. Forgiveness is important, not because they deserve it, but because you deserve peace and you don't block your blessings. I don't know your whole story with this person. A group of 6 people who are collaborating against you. Can you imagine? 65, 56, 75, 57, 76, 67 is significant on this reading. And this is the outcome, the return of the past. Because you want to be the part of your magical new beginnings. Now that it's over, you're done, 10 of Wands, they wants to be the part of your harvest. However you are, shame on you. Go and heal yourself. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father. Why the 5 of Swords in this reading? Tell me more about the 5 of Swords, please. It is clarified as SMRT and death. I told you, they are doing black magic on you. They are wishing your downfall, your death, your endings. An Aquarius is involved here, or a group of 5 people. Could also be a person who was born on the 5th of the month, who is 50 years old or 55 years old, are doing this on you. But normally, this is the energy of an Aquarius. You look, they want you to have an ending. Because you are no longer engaging your energy to them. They couldn't bully you because you cut them off out of your life. They are feeling defeated, intimidated, and humiliated. The rest of these people, guys, they are now pretending to be the part of your new beginning. Because they couldn't beat you. They want to join you. Be very mindful from the past people. Even though a new person, a Scorpio or an Aquarius is involved here. Whatever the abracadabra they have done on you, I feel like it backfires on them. Whoever you are, go and heal yourself. That's why I said if you are on the right path, this is your reading. You look, now they are experiencing the pain in their body, all the negative energy they are wishing on you. But for some of these people, guys, they are a good, performer. They will pretend everything is okay, but they are now experiencing the negative energy descent on you. Could be during the blood moon in Pisces. An Aquarius and a Scorpio is involved here. Hello, this is over. Whoever you are, go and heal yourself. You cannot wish, negative energy or death wish to somebody else. Especially if this person is innocent and you're just doing this because of jealousy and envy. A person has a Scorpio in their birth chart, an Aquarius, or a Scorpio Aquarius in their birth chart. Or it could also be an Aquarius and Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story. A person who was born on the 5th of the month, who is 50 years old, 55 years old. Clarify me, Father. Why the Magician in this reading? It is clarified as the home. I told you. They feel like you're a home to them. This person could be a Virgo, Gemini, or a person has Gemini, a Virgo, or Virgo in their birth chart. Could also be that this is in your family, or somebody who wants to return home, or they want you to return home, or your energy is a home to them. They are manifesting you in their lives. For some of these people, guys, they're doing abracadabra. In order for you to be vulnerable to them. There could be a significant meaning for you with a number 20, number 2, 2, or they viewed you as their soulmate, a fake soulmate, because if this is your soulmate, they will be in your side, not against you. Number 35 is also significant, 33, 53. Number 13 is also significant. Number 11, 31, 11, 11, or this person viewed you as their twin flame, but they are against you. They are manifesting your downfall. A Scorpio and Aquarius is involved here. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father. Why the Hermit in this reading? Oh my gosh. Why the Hermit here, please? It is clarified as the flow. They are manifesting that you are going to accept them back in your life. If these are the past people, I told you. If this is a new person, they are manifesting that you are going to accept their offer because somebody is manifesting you. Be very mindful from this person or group of people because a magician could also be a trickery. They will tell you, Scorpio, we are here to support you. You are a home for me. But the truth are not. This is only because of jealousy and envy. Because you cut the ties off, you give them a silent treatment. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 43, 44, 33, 34. Please pay attention. Clarify me, Father. What a Ten of Wands here. Who are this person or group of people who wants to drop you a burdens? My gosh. Because you have a bright future. And that's why they wants to destroy your bright future. They wants to drop their burdens on you. They are now receiving karma. They wants to interrupt your blessings. Do not engage your energy to this person or group of people. You have a bright future without them. If you are still clinging in this energy, drop this person because they are the robbers of your blessings. They steal your blessings. Do not engage these burdens. A fire sign is involved here. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. There could be a significant meaning for you. The number 45, 44, 55, 54. Please pay attention. He wants to drop the burdens. Whoever you are, go and heal yourself. Oh my gosh, this is over. Why the Fool in this reading? Please tell me more about the Fool in this reading. It is clarified as, he wants to communicate with you. He wants to talk with you. Could be an Aquarius or a person who's an Aquarius in their birth chart. Could also be any other sign who is involved in this reading. Why the Seven of Cups, sir, please? It is clarified as divine wisdom. You are a mediator. And that's why they are confused. Oh my gosh. And in the past, they put you in an option. They tried to confuse you. You cannot confuse a mediator who has a divine wisdom. As Scorpio is involved here, an Aquarius, whoever you are, go and heal yourself. Now he wants to communicate with you. Oh my gosh. Why the Six of Cups in this reading? Please tell me more. It is clarified as illusion. I told you. For you, they are an illusion. He wants to return because he wants to create an illusion on you. Illusion is a lie. This could be in your family. But for you, this is over. You drop the burdens. Do not engage the burdens because they are now experiencing a karma. I told you. They wants to return, but this is not a real deal. They will return you to create the same things. Illusion is a lie. I told you, a Scorpio is involved here. Or a group of 6 people. Or they misjudge you in the past. They perceive that you are an illusion. Could also be now they wants to return. This is over. I don't know. With this person, a group of people, why the Five of Pentacles, sir, please? It is clarified as, they will see Scorpio. We don't know what you are talking about. They are washing their hands. They perceive they are innocent. We are not praying for your downfall. These are the people who are fake. The Five of Pentacles. I told you. For some of these people, guys, they perceive that they are not enough because they viewed you that you are lots of experiences, or they want to tell you, Scorpio, we are left out in the cold. We don't know what you are talking about. We are not praying for your downfall. The truth is, these are the group of people who will not accept the consequences of their action. They are feeling victimized by you. They are feeling rejected. I told you, do not engage their burdens because they are now experiencing the karma. Because they are praying your downfall, and they will deny it that they are not doing this because they want to have you back. They have seen that you are a great manifester. Oh my gosh. Whoever you are, go and heal yourself. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 4, number 44, 222, 24. Please pay attention. It could also that this person now realize that you are innocent of the accusation of this person or group of people. Yeah, look. the 5 group of people, or a person who was born on the 5th of the month, who was 50 years old, 55 years old, or they are washing their hands. Oh my gosh, this is the same drama. Go and heal yourself, whoever you are. Why the page of wands, sir, please? It is clarified as country. It could also be that somebody here wants to travel to other country. It could also be that this person living from the other country and wants to travel towards you. They wants to take you out from the country where you are, because they have seen that lots of people are doing, lots of drama, conflicts. This person or group of people are creating turbulence in your life. I told you. Somebody here wants to return home. That's why somebody wants to send a message. A fire sign. They wants to travel to your home. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Remember, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, they wants to return. Lots of returners from the past, because they have seen your bright future. And they are now receiving their karma. Whatever they have done on you, their wishes, their death wish, their endings, they have wishes on you. That makes you more stronger. And that's why they wants to return, because no matter what they do, it didn't work. Because for most of you guys, you are innocent. In fact, you are very supportive, and you inspire this person or group of people. And that's why it backfires on them. And they don't understand. They are confused. You are not confused. Now they are washing their hands that they didn't do that to you, because everything backfires on them. These are the people who are narcissists. They will twist the story. They want to talk, to communicate with you. For some of these people, guys, they are believing the lies of other people who are spreading lies and rumors about you. Now they are awakened that you are not an illusion, but this is over. They want to return, and it's up to you if you're going to to accept them back in your life. But forgiveness is important here. That ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if this resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here once again. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.